This island nation by the name of Tokelau holds the most dangerous websites of the internet and is often said to be world's one true online superpower. Why? Because of its .tk domain. .tk domain is the official government domain for this island, and 20% of the total earning of the government of Tokelau is from the .tk domain. As of now, there are 3 crore websites registered in the .tk domain because this domain is free. That is why this domain has been most exploited by the people in the cybercrime industry. People register a .tk website and they do ad fraud, tech support frauds. The one you have seen on the YouTube where an old American lady is helped by a Desi Microsoft accent tech support. Then phishing scams, fake airline and pharmacy website scams. And how do people registered via the .tk domain process their payments in the new ways? Because Tokelau was a country which was the last country to be connected via internet. That is how hidden this island was. Well, these people process their payments via various methods. First is the bank accounts that they create in this region, because this region is purely known for its secretive financial services like Nauru, Vanuatu, Marshall Islands. Along with that, they have instant payment apps like Paytm, PayPal, Apple Pay, and then they have gift cards and prepaid cards, and then their ultimate tool, cryptocurrencies. So every time there is a large fraud that is carried out via this island of Tokelau, they ensure creating shell companies with clean image in the tax havens and a bank which does the bare minimum of respecting their privacy.